ready for his extreme close-up dahil malapit na mapanood ang murder mystery at mayhem na handog ni kapatid star Dylan Minor sa first ever lead series niya, ang Wattpad adaptation na Project Low-Key. Coming from his 3 a.m. pack-up kagabi, laban na laban pa rin si Dylan para isabuhay sa telebisyon soon si Loki Mendez.
Galing mo kami taping kagabi. Yeah, we just finished taping day 18 yesterday. And we're just very excited, honestly. I mean, kanina pagkatapa ko pa ng stage, when I was looking at this one, sobrang, parang na-feel ko na, oh shoot, this is happening na talaga. So I got a bit emotional. And I'm very excited.
Malaking title ang Project Low-Key, lalo na at 93 million reads lang naman yan sa Wattpad. Written by Ako Si Ibarra at may cult following na ito na ang tawag sa fandom ay Players. At bilang paghahanda ni Dylan sa project for his transformation as Low-Key, sumabak pa sa one-on-one sessions with Direk Ryan Carlos para sa Chabak technique. At the more, the merrier nga ang Project Low-Key dahil kasama rin ni Dylan sina M-Quest artist Ivan Lim as Bastian Montreal at Joanna Lara bilang si Rhea na past ni Low-Key.
At this time, parang moving on na si Loki. So he's just focusing on, just continuing sa pag-solve ng crimes with Lori. Pero syempre, kumbaga, kung kay Direk Ryan, si Rhea yung bubog ni Loki. So, that's why Loki's character is very deep. It's very layered.
Kung si Rhea ang past, abangan naman ang samahan ni Loki at Lorelai played by Jada Avanzado.
And I think Lorelai is sort of the heart as well of this project, and I would say that she brings out the tenderness of Loki that's kind of lurking inside.
Si Marco Gallo naman ang gaganap na kapatid niyang si Luthor Mendez.
So it's a lot of work, a lot of reading of the books, like keeping up notes in your head for what you're gonna kind of like try to portray, because it's, the fans are gonna give you a hard time if you're not accurate about it.
Abangan ang Project Low-Key starring Dylan Minor starting February 21 sa Viva One at Signal Play app at soon sa TV5. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.